United Nations has issued an international alert for all countries situated on Earth. At approximately 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a production company known as JCJenson in space suffered a critical error in the mainframe, causing all the disassembly drones to kill the employees working there. When they switched to the task of exterminating the human race, NATO forces were dispatched to the affected area in an attempt to kill these drones. They failed. Lock your doors and hide. May God bless us all and may God bless Earth.